Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another episode this year. So we are talking about Touran today. I'm going to quickly say what's the plan. Not much going on, but we are going to change the look a bit, so it's a bit more exciting. And as you can see at the moment, I've got a pretty temporary cardboard window because the window was broken. So yeah, I'm going to replace that with a bit of plastic. But anyway, I'm going to show you quick overview of the rat and then we'll get going on that back window. Okay, so not much change there at the front. As you can see, the roof rack even is pretty clear. And the plan here is I'm going to do a living roof rack, so with plants and stuff, probably some ivy so it can climb everywhere. Another stuff I've done that I haven't released a video yet is I'm changing the coilover on it and actually raising it a bit. As you can see here, the front hasn't been done yet, but the rear has been done. And yeah, it looks cooler squatted, but the fuel tank is getting very thin at the back. And at the front, when I did the oil change, the oil pane, you've got like a screw that go in, that I've been scratching loads, so much so that there is a tiny leak there. So I think it's time to raise a little bit. And yeah, if you haven't seen, what I'll be doing today is basically replacing that. Found it on the driveway, rear window broken, very close to the garage. I don't know if it was intentional or if something fell off the roof. There is nothing to steal in there. If anything, if you go in there, you might hurt yourself. So I really don't think it was anybody from bad attention. Plus, I don't know, the whole angle and stuff. It didn't make sense that somebody broke it. If they broke it, they broke side window would make more sense. But anyway, we'll remove the plastic and yeah, build the window. Never done it before. I don't have special tool to like cut plastic and stuff. So yeah, the plan is basically remove the plastic, use this, make it tight over it, then draw the contour on it, cut it, and then use that as template to cut this bit. There you go, look, that's what I went for. Nice little red. Yeah, here it is without it. So as you can see, I haven't even, I basically took off all the glass that was falling off, but yeah, we need to clear all of that up, because that's basically the contour we want to follow. And then we need to put our plate there, and we'll probably just secure it with a bunch of screws. Alright, so that was actually easier than I thought, because there was basically a rubber band all around. The glass was attached to it, and I managed to more or less pull it in nearly one go. But the trouble with all that glass so is I had to clean up the driveway so much. So much. I don't care about that, but normally the ashtray sits there, and yeah, that's just a mess, don't worry about it. Alright, the mark is done. Yeah, you can see it there. Again, it's by no means perfect, but we should get the general idea. Alright, so it is cut, and it actually fit bang on tight. I think now, as you can see, look, I can't see anything, so tomorrow I still need to sand by hand a little bit around the edge to smooth it up, and we can mount it. But yeah, I'm guessing I have a lot more plastic in my body now, because all the mask I had, the elastic band was crap, so yeah, I gonna buy some of that, but you know. Alright, I thought it'll be better if I had this on drill bit, because yeah, but I have one screw in. Basically, I'm going in with the nail on the hammer first, hammering a hole, then the screw comes in, screw drill bit, good old brute force, does the job nicely. But anyway, yeah, so I've got one here. Basically, just put some in the corner to tack it up, and then if I want more, I can drill some more on that, and yeah, then you can finally see what it looks like. Alright, ready for it? Oh yeah. Hello. To talk close to you, I might as well look at you. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. Yeah, on definitely going to go for that with pesta. I mean, the red is just cool, isn't it? On red and black will do a good combo. On red goes well with whatever the atrocity of the car is. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Next episode probably be on Twister, but you know, we'll see. The MX5 is supposed to come back as well. I think I need to remind my guy about it. So it's been a while, so I think he forgot about it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah.